Now, this was our ride right here. We started at the great outdoors, and we're always looking for all these little roads, and we found a few neat little ones right through here. Then we got back on 28. Man, we loved that 28. Came over here, and right in here is where our restaurant is at. And I tell you what, this is one neat spot. I got real slow internet. We're at the campground right now in South Carolina. I wanted to get another video out, and this is it. Then we came on down, and over here somewhere we got on Wayah Road. And I gotta say, that Wayah Road, that is one sweet road. You gotta try it. State Road 13, yeah, Wayah Road, that's it. You'll enjoy that route going through there. And we went to this cafe that you just seen right here, Lakes End Cafe. We did that on another ride I might have a little video of, I don't know. But this was our trip from Franklin, and it was a total of only 74 miles. So it's not a big trip, but we got some nice riding in. We're at the great outdoors, and on the left hand side you can see all these different Keystone toy haulers, from Raptors to Fusions, all of them. We were with this group, and this ride was done with this group today, where we ended up going to our restaurant. And this kind of gives you a little picture of what it looked like right there, that top row, that's us. And here we're taking off and heading to our restaurant. Time to feed, and man, we're looking for all these back roads, and we're finding some nice ones. Here we go. This road, I know this is Highway 28, and I think it's one of my favorite roads up in this area. Said before, we always check out these websites before we go, and good thing we did. We found out that tourist train that goes around up there, it stops here. You got to find out what time it gets here. Now, this is the Riverside restaurant. Now, I got to say one thing, you got to watch it with parking. We lucked up. We were able, this was our whole group here, and we were able to park at the old country store. I went in and asked them about it, and they said, sure, fine, because we're eating at the restaurant. First thing I noticed here, there's the restaurant, is if you look at the water is really low, real low. And I'm thinking, how in the world do they kayak down this river? Well, you see how it is looking at the other direction. And by the way, while you're here, you go ahead across that bridge, you can go over there and have, I think they have stuff like hot dogs, and you can get a drink or two. But there's our restaurant, and they have some great pizza, but you can see how low the water is. Pay attention a little later. It's going to change a bit. But the restaurant I was telling you across the way, it's more or less, like I said, hamburgers, hot dogs, and you can get a few drinks there. Kind of neat. And this time there's a lot of people over here. We came here last year, and all this was it was all flooded out. But they got all kinds of kayak excursions going, and there again is the restaurant. Well, after we ate and everything, look at the water level now. It's controlled, I guess, with the dam, and they must coordinate it with the kayakers and stuff like that, because all of a sudden now, there's a lot of water. It's kind of neat. Well, did you guys fill up?
Oh yeah, I'm telling you. It was good food though.
They raised the water level. You hear any complaints about the food, and now it's time for us to get back on the bikes and do some more riding. I said the trip was only like, what, 74 miles? But I gotta say, all of the 74 miles, it's some riding that'll put a smile on your face. We did split up the group. It was hard getting out of that place with a big group. We got busy. I believe we're on Wayah Road now, and this is one road that you need to check out if you're in the area. It's a sweet road. This is what it's about. You taking this in? This is bringing us to the end of our video. And as we got on down the road, I didn't video much more because we ended up hitting some rain. But remember guys, on our Facebook page, every trip we make when we're in Florida or wherever, we always put our pictures out.
Also be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This once again was a Michael and Marcia's motorcycle trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?